Hello, and welcome back to our Vytal tutorial series. These tutorials cover how to set up your direct-to-patient e-commerce program using Vytal's website builder. If you haven't gotten started yet, make sure to check out the other Vytal tutorials to get things going. From the main website view, we're going to click on the button in the top left corner of the website view that says Page. Choose the Shop Products page, which is where customers can find and purchase their products. Then, similar to the main page of the website, you can click on the three elements on the left to start adjusting the page. Lead headline is the first option, and it's as simple as can be. Whatever you write is the lead headline for the page. So it can be shop products or something more specific, like shop supplements. It can refer to a promo, like Cyber Monday sale, or to a special product, like purchase cleansing cloths. Next, we have the products grid. Clicking this allows you to manage your linked products. Rather than create new products on every new site, Vytal allows you to create products separately and then link them to the corresponding page. Perfect if you have multiple products that you might want to sell on multiple stores. Click Add, Remove, or Reorder Linked Products, and you'll end up at this Manage Linked Products page that will allow you to check and uncheck all products that you'd like to link. Once you're done, click Link Products, and they'll show up on the right as a grid. Finally, there is Process Steps, which also exists on the main page. This is done for you, so your main job is to adjust the headline as you see fit. 3 simple steps is a fine headline, but maybe you prefer medication at your doorstep or learn more about us. Once you're done, as always, remember to save your site. And with that, you've adjusted your shop products page. Next, we'll go over some of the other pages in the Vytal website builder.